Hi, sir.
Hello. Hi, Kiran.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir. How are you? Good, sir. Hello. Very good evening. Yeah, Rajesh. Yeah.
Right, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
Anybody else? Please? No, just me. Sure, sure, sure. So the intention was we wanted to understand the next step in say, how we plan to deploy and how we plan to set this up. So maybe some thoughts from you will help us create the proposal. As we understand here, the use case is of our platform, a report track platform, wherein the field reporter are able to, or the person on the field is able to create news article or news item, maybe video driven, image and text, and then publish it to the backend platforms. And then from there, it gets updated or modified, curated, and then it goes to web or some front end. So here in this case, sir, just wanted to understand the current ecosystem. Do you have a publishing platform already, or how is it? Like, is there a website, or is there something wherein this content is going to be published on?
Sir, you're on mute.
No, the answer is no. The answer is no. We have, I mean, this is what I have. The college is very neglected for years. We don't have an integrated system for a student to produce news. So we have a TV station, a radio station, a newspaper, not really a website, but we have to create a website too. And we have to modernize that. So when Kiran was showing me the product and I saw the app that allows to process, it's obviously it's a content management system that can integrate all this together. Now, I said, "Oh, I like that product. Let me see it and know about the cost of the product itself. And if it's good, we buy it." And for what I saw, I obviously I couldn't buy the product completely, so I don't know exactly what it does. But my needs are something in which the students can have in the mobile phone their TV, radio station, they can produce music, pictures, videos, edit, and put in the queue, and that you can upload it in the website or whatever it is. That's why I understood that the software I saw, the app I saw does. So,
Right. Yeah.
So that's the right understanding, sir. So we have the application which can, record the video, create a news article out of it, and it can upload. Now, probably the follow-up would be, like, are you planning to bring in any website wherein this news can go and sit, or
AMS.
Yes, I mean we at the moment for the TV station we use YouTube. We bought a software, a platform called Oluga, but it hasn't been working. It's too slow and it's a lot of difficult. I'm not sure what's happening with that. And then the other part is the radio station. We have an app. It's not updated. We need to work with it. And then we have a newspaper, and we want to make an online version of the newspaper so the students can work on that. So the idea is to have an app in which students can constantly be producing news. There's editors who can authorize the publications, etc., and all that. So I didn't see the app very well. I just saw the presentation, but immediately I saw the potential for me to cover the news. So I don't know if we can try the app and see how it works. But what is it that you can offer me? Or give me a package.
Right. Yes, sir. So what I see, sir, basically we've been into the publishing domain for quite some time. So we offer one is the app, which is there at the student ecosystem wherein they are able to create videos, generate this content, and then we need a system also to ingest this and curate maybe what is right and what is not right to go to the end user platform. And also, all the users who would have this app also have to be registered because of authenticity and other security reasons that may be there. So the second part is where this content is. It is the content management system that is there. From there, it gets published to a front end, web front end. So web front end, or it could be app also going for it. But bare minimum will be a web, wherein I have a workflow where I am able to generate content from the app, record or store image or content. Then I publish it to a content management system, a publishing platform wherein summarization has to happen on the content. And once that is done, only then it goes to the web. So actually, we are good in all three domains because we work with multiple publishers, wherein news companies and others, wherein we have an end-to-end workflow from editor to publishing. So all of it we offer. So that's why we wanted to understand whether it is the only the uploader kind of app that is needed, or we need somebody to manage it and also publish and have the front ends also. So that was one of the key intentions for us to come back to you and seek more information. So as you understand, we need to an ecosystem wherein I have an app which is going to help generate this content. Then there's a management system which is going to help me prioritize, set up the web front end, and actually the web front end also would be part of this ecosystem.
Yes.
Right. Sure. And how about the deployment, sir? Here, like say, for example, how you see that this will be actually deployed, like what kind of servers, whether are we okay with a particular cloud or university itself has certain machines?
The university have certain machines. We can definitely use our own cloud.
Hmm.
But we can also cloud from outside, external cloud. So you can put that also in the proposal. I mean, obviously, the more things you put, the more expensive it's going to be.
Yes, yes.
And I
So we
don't
can
have
put machines, maybe that if that works out too.
what is your business model? Do you sell the software yourself, or do you pay users per year? What is
Yeah,
it?
so yeah, so what we usually do is in these kinds of software when a sort of customizations and all happen, we would like to sell as a software, like either one time that kind of a thing, and then
Okay.
do that transaction that way, and any updates, and we do a AMC. Once you do a software sale, then maybe there's an AMC,
Okay.
and you can take over as well in case that works for you. But we do an AMC so that maintenance and management of the software is there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
any
I
preference
mean,
in terms of
if
business
you,
model?
sorry, go ahead.
Any preference, anything that you have in mind that okay?
No, no. I can't, I'm not a technical person. I'll tell you what I want. I'm a journalist. So I want an app in which the students can produce video, audio. They actually, there's already software for that. So, but the app that I saw integrates to a content management system. So they can upload this to the content, it goes into a queue, the editor selects what they publish, and it goes directly to the format either if it's written into a paper machine, if it's printed into if it's audio into the radio station, and if it's TV into the TV channel.
Right.
Right. So that means it has to now the middleware that is there also has to interact with the existing outputs also. Like say, for example, TV you mentioned. So whatever middleware we propose also integrate to the existing systems also.
Yeah, not necessarily because we can work something completely outside. If you tell people there's a cloud,
that would be better for us, sir. The first we can
yeah,
keep it independent. Once things start working, then
yeah,
maybe you look at exactly integrating.
yeah. Because if I get my IT department here, it's going to take 5 years to
Mhm.
get access to the cloud. So it's better to do everything outside. And basically, imagine that I'm going to setting a multimedia company with radio, TV, online newspaper, and that's it. And if you can provide an instrument that the students can use their mobile phone to produce news, and it's integrated to these three media, done. And well, of course, depending on the price, etc., we talk about that. But yes, propose it, and we'll see it.
Right.
We will propose it. Yeah, yeah. So Kiran, we also have one update. Kiran wanted to showcase. Maybe it may also be an interest. In addition to this, we have a live streaming system to directly to YouTube, with certain more features added on the app side itself. Like say,
Well, I'm definitely so you can if I have a channel, you can put it on streaming.
Hmm. Right.
right.
Probably I can show you that one second.
Please.
So we are just streaming right away. I'm in a conference. So
Sorry about that. Now,
is it visible?
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So I have my phone over here. So I'm actually directly streaming from there.
YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth quality is poor. Maybe network you may want to change.
Let me just change that one second. So probably I can show it here. So can you see this? This is the app which is streaming right now. Hmm. Is it visible?
Visible, but not updating on your screen.
Yeah,
It's,
one
it's
second, one second. Yeah, that is my network actually.
yeah,
So,
connect your encoder to go live. Yeah.
yeah, it's already connected. So can you see?
Now we can.
Yes. So this is the video which I'm live streaming from my mobile actually. So,
Yeah.
Excellent.
yeah, visible. Everything is fine. Right.
So, see, sir, here it is directly streaming to YouTube. But if you see what we have done is, if you see there is a Saranyu logo, Saranyu news, and something that we have stated, all are done on the app side. So that means no additional costing on the server side to do all this mixing. So anybody who wants to create a live channel on YouTube, he has everything ready on the device itself.
Like it included in the presentation, in the proposal, sending the proposal, we talk about money.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. So the model wise, what we would propose is, sir, we'll propose one time with the phases where